Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You should have your TV and mobile device powered on and connected to the same Wi-Fi. Once done, open YouTube on both devices. On your phone, tap the cast icon in the app. This finds receivers like Chromecast, Android TV, or Smart TV apps. Make sure your TV's YouTube app is ready to accept a cast. If it shows a ready or home screen, you're set. This step pairs the two devices without entering codes because they use the local network and device discovery. Once your phone displays available devices, tap the TV or Chromecast name to connect. You'll see a confirmation or a highlighted icon. Then pick a video and press play. YouTube streams directly to the TV while your phone becomes the remote. Use your phone to cue, seek, or adjust captions. The reason this is better than linking accounts is it's instant and reversible. If you switch videos, the TV continues playback. Make sure your phone stays on the same Wi-Fi during control. To finish, tap the cast icon again and choose Stop Casting, or use the TV's exit controls. This disconnects without changing accounts. If the TV or phone does not appear, restart the YouTube app and power cycle the TV or router, because many discovery failures are network or app cache issues. Make sure both devices run current updates and remain on the same network. If problems persist, toggle Wi-Fi off/on, then retry casting, which typically restores device
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.